Now let's take a closer look at the RC car itself. The design is sleek and eye-catching, with a durable body shell that's built to withstand rough terrain. It's lightweight but sturdy, which ensures better speed and stability during operation. The wheels are made of high-quality rubber, giving them excellent grip on different surfaces like dirt, grass, or even smooth pavements. Plus, the suspension system is flexible, allowing it to handle bumpy rides effortlessly. Underneath, you'll find a powerful motor that delivers impressive acceleration. The remote control offers great range and responsiveness, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. And the rechargeable battery means you can enjoy extended playtime with a quick recharge. Whether you're racing or just testing its capabilities, this RC car is packed with features to make the experience fun and thrilling.